Smartphones today are incredibly powerful, but truth is most people are only using a small percentage of what their phone can actually do. So if you're using the Samsung Galaxy device, there are some seriously powerful Galaxy AI features that can completely change how you use your phone. From automatically summarizing your notes, screening scam calls, translating conversation in real time, and even helping you stay organized throughout the day. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Galaxy AI features you need to enable right now, how they work, why they're actually useful in everyday situations. But before we get started, there is also a giveaway challenge in this video, so make sure to listen properly. So to enter the giveaway, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. But here's the challenge. Somewhere in this video, I've hidden a specific object. Your task is to spot the object, note the exact timestamp where it appears. Once you found it, click the Google form link in the description, enter the object and the timestamp, and submit the form to complete your entry. Also, quick apologies for yesterday's video. I forgot to include the Google form link in the description, so thank you to everyone who pointed that out. The link is now available in that video, so make sure to watch carefully because the object could appear at any time. Now let's get into the Galaxy AI features you should enable right now. Now the first Galaxy AI feature you should enable is Note Assist. So imagine you're sitting in an important meeting or attending a lecture. You're typing notes quickly, trying to capture everything being said before the conversation moves on to the next topic. Now, by the end of the meeting, your notes are so long, messy, and difficult to read. You have paragraphs of text, random bullet points, half-finished thoughts scattered across the page. Later, when you come back to review the notes, it takes time to figure out what the key points actually were. So this is where Note Assist becomes incredibly useful. So instead of manually organizing everything yourself, Galaxy AI can analyze your notes and automatically turn them into a structured summary with clear headings, bullet points, and key highlights. So what started as a messy note quickly becomes a clean, organized document that's much clearer to review. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So here, go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down, find Galaxy AI, and now from here, find Note Assist. So this will auto-format, summarize, spell check, and translate text. So transcribe and summarize recordings as well. It'll decorate notes with AI-generated covers and images, all with Note Assist. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure to turn this feature on. So by default, this is turned off. Once turned on, go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. Now create a new note. And now you can go ahead and make your notes. So here I've copied some notes from the internet and we'll go ahead and paste it here. And now let's just say, for example, you want a summary out of these notes here. So you can go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI here. And here you can go ahead and choose. You can choose auto format. You can choose summarize. You can choose the spelling and grammar. You can go ahead and translate it as well to another language, or you can use Creative Studio. So here we'll go ahead and use summarize. And now this will basically give us a summary of all our notes which we have written there. Now this could be handwritten or this could be your typed out notes. Now once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on replace, and this will basically replace all your notes. You can also choose auto format. So this will organize your notes from headers to bullets or in meeting notes. So let's go ahead and just try one. And as you can see, it's basically organized in header and bullets. If you like that format, go ahead and tap on replace, and this will replace that on your notes. So Note Assist is an AI-powered feature within Samsung Notes that helps summarize and organize long pieces of text. So it can automatically create summaries, format notes into structured sections, and highlight important points. So this is especially helpful for meetings, lectures, brainstorming sessions, or planning projects. So here you have instant summary, so you can turn long notes into short, clear summaries. Second, you have better organization, so this automatically creates headings and bullet points. And third, you have language translation, means notes can be turned into different languages easily. So here is an example. If I tap on Galaxy AI, tap on translate, and I can go ahead and translate it into another language. So here I can go ahead and choose German, translate, and that will translate it into German. So you can go ahead and choose any language you want. So feature number 2 is your call screening. So you're relaxing at home when your phone suddenly rings from a number you don't recognize. So it could be an important call, but it could also be another spam call or a telemarketer. Now, normally you have to answer the call just to find out, which can be frustrating. So with call screening, your Galaxy phone can actually answer the phone for you. The AI asks the caller why they're calling. Their response appears on screen as live text. So you can read exactly what they're saying before deciding whether you want to pick it up or not. If it's a spam call, you simply ignore. If it's something important, you can jump into the call immediately. So it's like having your own personal assistant answering your unknown calls. So here, first, we need to go ahead and turn this feature on. So go ahead and tap on Settings, tap on Galaxy AI, and here, go ahead and tap on Call Assist. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Call Screening and make sure to turn this feature on. Now down below here, you can go ahead and configure if you want to go ahead and turn on auto screen calls, the language, and the voice. Now after you've done that, you need to go ahead and open up your call app, tap on the three dots, tap on Settings, and here you need to go ahead and open up block numbers. And here you want to go ahead and make sure block calls from unknown numbers have been ticked off. So this should be turned off. Now here we'll go ahead and replicate some unknown number calling me.
Private number.
Now as you can see, this is a private number, so I'll go ahead and tap on Call Assist. We'll go ahead and use Call Screening. And on that other number, this is what you're hearing. Hi, my name is Sam and I want to speak with the Simple Dad.
Could you please explain the reason for your call?
I would like to call him to subscribe to his channel.
Thank you. Please hold while I connect you.
So as you can see, the AI basically speaks with the other person. It'll basically ask you who's calling and what is the reason. Once that is known, you can basically see all the responses on screen. Now, if you're happy with the response, you can go ahead and pick it up, or you can go ahead and just leave it and that phone will then cut off automatically. So call screening uses AI to handle unknown calls by asking the caller to identify themselves, state their reason for their calling. Their response is then transcribed into text so you can review it instantly. So this helps reduce spam calls and gives you more control over who you speak to. So it basically blocks spam calls so you can reduce interruptions from unwanted callers. You have live call transcription so you can see what the caller says before answering, and you have instant control so you can join the call anytime if it's important. Now, feature number 3 is your live translate. Now, imagine you're traveling abroad and you need to call a restaurant, hotel, or maybe a taxi service. But the person on the other end of the call speaks a completely different language. Normally, you would struggle to communicate or try using a separate translation app during the call. But with Live Translate, your Galaxy phone acts like a real-time interpreter. So you speak in your language and the phone instantly translates your words into other person's language. When they reply, their response is translated back into your language. So this allows you to have natural conversation if neither of you speak the same language. So here you want to go ahead and open up Settings and go ahead and open up Galaxy AI. Tap on Call Assist. Now next, tap on Live Translate, and here you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. Now once you turn it on, it'll basically ask you what language you want to select. So for yourself, go ahead and select your language. And for the other person, say for example, if you're in France, you want French. If you're in India, go ahead and select Hindi. Now press OK. Now this will basically download the language pack. So let it download. Now here we'll go ahead and replicate a call.
Private number.
So here, once a call comes in, you can go ahead and tap on Call Assist, then go ahead and tap on Live Translate. So now the phone is basically listening to you. So here we'll go ahead and ask it in English. And you'll basically hear the translated version on audio. Hi, how are you?
नमस्ते, आप कैसे हैं?
I need to go to the temple. Do you know where it is?
मुझे मंदिर जाना है। क्या आप जानते हैं कि यह क्या है?
Now I'll go ahead and reply in Hindi and let's see the translation on screen. आप कैसे हो? आप ठीक हो?
How are you? You are fine.
मंदिर ये यहाँ पर ही है 1 किलोमीटर के बाद.
The temple is here after 1 kilometer.
So as you can see, Live Translate uses AI to translate conversation during phone calls and messages in real time. So the feature works directly on the device, allowing faster translation while also maintaining privacy. So it's ideal for international communication, travel, and connecting with people around the world. So you have real-time translation, so you can speak different languages seamlessly. With Live Translate, you have on-device AI, so you have faster and more private translation. This is perfect for travel, so you can communicate easily anywhere in the world. And the best part is, this also works on WhatsApp calls as well. So not only phone calls, this also works on WhatsApp calls. Now, feature number 4 is your Creative Studio. So you're working on a social media post and need an image that stands out. So normally you would open multiple editing apps, adjust colors, crop images, and try to remove objects manually. So with Creative Studio, Galaxy AI makes that process much easier. So you can remove unwanted objects from photo, extend background, enhance images, and even generate entirely new visuals using AI tools. So within seconds, you can transform an ordinary photo into something much more creative and visually appealing. So here, first, I'm going to go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down, find Galaxy AI. Next, go ahead and scroll down and find Creative Studio, tap on this, and go ahead and turn this feature on. So this will basically transform simple sketches into awesome art, create images from text description, and turn photos into cartoon, painting, and even more. So tap OK, we'll press Home, and now here we'll go ahead and remove our S Pen. So once we remove the S Pen, we have the Air command here. Now from here, go ahead and select Creative Studio. So with Creative Studio, you can basically create 3D cartoon styles. You can create all these different stickers, invitation, greeting cards, profile cards, and create wallpapers. So here we'll go ahead and just give it a go. So here you can go ahead and draw the item, or you can go ahead and provide a picture, or you can go ahead and describe what you want to create. So here I'll go ahead and use the S Pen and draw something. So I'll just draw a house and then press done. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on this wand icon here, and here you can go ahead and select your style. So you can go ahead and make it child sketch, marker, drawing, art, webtoon, soft illustration, instatoon, watercolor, illustration, pop art, sketch, 3D cartoon, or oil painting. We'll go ahead and create a childhood sketch, and then we'll tap on generate. So Creative Studio provides a collection of AI-powered image editing tools designed to enhance and transform photos. So users can remove objects, generate new visual elements, and improve images with advanced editing tools. So here basically we're creating new visual elements. So as you can see, we have created a new artwork here. Now let me show you how we can remove objects and also improve images with advanced editing tools. So here we'll go ahead and close this. We'll go into Gallery, open up an image. So say, for example, this image here. Let's say I want to go ahead and remove this person from this image. So I can go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI, go ahead and select it, tap on Erase, and we have successfully removed the person from this image. Now next, let me show you how you can improve images with advanced editing tools. So here as an example, we'll go ahead and use this image. We'll tap on Galaxy AI, and let's say I want to go ahead and combine two images together. So I want to go ahead and tap on Create, tap on this image icon here. I'll go ahead and choose another image. Let's say, for example, this one here, press Done, and I'll go ahead and blend both images together. Generate. And there you go. So we've blended both of these images together. So this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. So this feature is perfect for content creators or anyone who enjoys editing photos. No need for a Photoshop or any paid editing apps. This is all done on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So you have advanced photo editing. You can remove or adjust objects easily. You have AI visual generation, so you can create unique images using AI. And this is great for content creation. So ideal for social media and digital design. Now, feature number 5 is your weather wallpaper. So you wake up in the morning and unlock your phone. Instead of a static wallpaper, you notice something different. The screen shows rain gently falling across the display like this. That's because it's actually raining outside. Later in the afternoon, the weather clears up and your wallpaper changes to show some bright sunshine and clear skies. So instead of checking the weather app, your lock screen visually reflects the real-world weather conditions around you. So it's a small feature, but it makes your phone feel far more interactive and personal. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So for this, you want to go ahead and open up your wallpaper settings. So go ahead and long press on your home screen, tap on Wallpaper and Style, and then tap on Change Wallpaper. Now here you want to go ahead and choose your own wallpaper. So here I'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper from my library. So say for example this one here, press done. I'll press next. And now we have a wallpaper. Now here you want to go ahead and activate the weather effect. So to do this, go ahead and swipe left at the bottom here, tap on weather. This will now start the weather effect on that wallpaper. Press done. And then go ahead and press home. Now if you go ahead and lock the screen, you'll see that weather wallpaper has been activated and it's basically raining, basically showing you that it's raining outside. So the weather wallpaper uses real-time weather data to animate your lock screen based on your current condition and location. So rain, snow, sunshine, and clouds appear visually on your wallpaper is depending on the weather in your location. So this way you have dynamic lock screen, so wallpaper changes with the weather. You have live weather effects, so you have real-time visual weather updates and more interactive phone experience. So this makes your device feel more smarter. Now feature number 6 is your now nudge. So you're about to leave the house for work when your phone sends a notification suggesting you leave earlier because traffic is heavier than usual. Later in the day, it reminds you about an upcoming meeting and suggests opening your calendar or your navigation app. Instead of constantly checking different apps for reminders and updates, your phone proactively provides helpful suggestions based on your schedule and habits. So that's the goal of Now Nudge. So to enable this, go ahead and open up Settings. Scroll down, find Galaxy AI. Scroll down and find Now Nudge right here. Tap on this, and here you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. So with Now Nudge, you can get things done quickly. So Now Nudge understands what's on your screen and suggests relevant actions like creating a calendar event or sharing photos. It recalls the information you need. So Now Nudge recognizes what's on your screen and reminds you of related information like saved contacts or location details. So Now Nudge uses AI to analyze your daily routine and usage patterns to provide helpful reminders and suggestions throughout the day. So it recommends actions based on your activity, schedule, and habit. Do note, if you just turned it on right now, you won't see this as it needs to basically learn your habits and your routine. So due to that, unfortunately, I cannot show you a demo of how this actually works. So this is like a helpful suggestion. So AI predicts useful actions. It gives you improved productivity so you can stay organized throughout the day and you have a personalized experience. So this basically learns your daily routine. Now feature number 7 is in notification highlights. So throughout the day, your phone receives a constant stream of notification, email, social media alerts, messages, app updates, and reminders. So it can quickly become overwhelming trying to figure out which notification are actually important. So with notification highlights, Galaxy AI analyzes your notification and prioritizes the one that matters the most. So important alerts appear clearly at the top, while less important notifications are grouped together in the background. So this helps you stay focused without constantly being distracted by unnecessary alerts. So here, to turn it on, go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down, find Galaxy AI, scroll down and find Notification Highlights. Tap on this. So here, go ahead and tap OK. Now here you have two options. You can go ahead and tap on Prioritize Notification and you can go ahead and turn it on, and you can go ahead and summarize the notifications as well. So both of these have been turned on. So Notification Highlight uses AI to organize incoming notification and prioritize the most relevant ones. So this helps reduce clutter and ensures you see important information first. So all your notifications you'll see, it's all over here. So you'll basically see prioritized ones and you'll see notifications grouped together and it'll basically give you a summary. So Galaxy AI is one of the biggest upgrades we have seen in smartphones, and many of these features are already built directly into your Galaxy device. If you haven't enabled them yet, it's definitely worth exploring your settings and seeing how much smarter your phone can become. And don't forget about the giveaway challenge. To enter, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below, find the hidden object and note the timestamp, fill in the Google form using the link in the description. Good luck to everyone entering the giveaway, and thank you again for your patience about the missing link in yesterday's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.